Since we've established we do learn often by observing others, and that the media is a large outlet in which we learn and take from, we decided to go around FSCJ to get people's opinions on whether or not the media has a positive or negative influence on people.
I think media has mainly a negative influence on people because people see things and it stifles creativity and really emphasizes being part of like the culture, being in, and everybody being the same. So I think being individual is probably better, and usually the media doesn't encourage that.
It depends on what's being told. It depends on the information. If it's good news, then the media is good. But if it's bad news, it depends on what is being told.
I think it depends on what media station it is. They all have different opinions, and there's so many different views that the media brings. You know what I mean? Like the paper, I think the paper is negative, but it just depends on the news channel, I would say.
I think that media should really be a neutral party, neither for nor against in a lot of ways. I mean, it doesn't always work out that way. You have messages that are being conveyed one way when they should be conveyed another, and sometimes it can be misleading to a lot of people. I think the media has an obligation to be informative and completely neutral in a lot of ways, but I know they don't always do that. You have news stations or ad agencies that are going to push one way or the other, and I think that's how it's always going to be as long as we have lobbyists and people who are out to just kind of push their views or make their own personal gain.
Sometimes I feel like it's a negative influence on people because the way they portray celebrities.
Okay, I think that media has a lot of responsibility, especially to the youth of America. It is our source of information. It's also where we watch our shows, and whether we like it or not, the shows that we watch do infiltrate what we think about people or about ideas that we have about our government or certain demographics. I do think the media is really responsible for how we think. Now, whether it's good, whether it's bad, I think that if it's bad things, then it's bad. But if it's something that's good and can be positive and can uplift people, then media has a great way to influence, especially the youth of America.